Thank you so much for watching. Let me be, let me be. Cause wherever you go, whatever you do, see you next to never. You can make go. Thank you for watching. Hi, Sheila. Sheila Shokla. Where are you from, Sheila Shokla? Oh, thank you for liking me here. Thank you so much. Where are you from? Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. 9 people in the house. Thank you. Oh, can't you say it, baby? Ouch. Wherever you can. Can you say it, baby? Sure, very beautiful. Thank you. Where are you from, Shella? Where are you from? Uh,
3年，给你家当牛做马，现在我走投无路，就。You, a maid's brat? How dare you seduce my son under my nose? Ma'am, there must be a misunderstanding. Elora, she... Name your price. How much will it take for you to leave my son? I don't want your money. Not enough? I know you're obsessed with medicine. I can get you an internship with Professor Lawrence. Everyone in LA can kill for that. You'd even have a chance to meet him. Keep your money and your offer. I'll be gone after graduation. Never come back. From what I've seen, you've doted on my son for years. Loved him to the bone, and now leaving with nothing? Why? Why? Because he never loved me. Don't worry. Once I leave, I won't have anything to do with Master Damon. Ma'am, she's just a maid's daughter. Master Damon only used her for fun. Why go through all this trouble? I'm his mother. I know him better than anyone. He hasn't even realized how much he cares about Elira. Elora, what is going on between you and Master Dallin? It is fine, Mom. It will all be over soon.
Regina. Regina, please don't leave me in this fucking hell without you.
Damon, I heard Regina is transferring back to our school. But the maid at your house, how do you plan to handle her?
Elira. She's just a fuck toy. The only one I love is Regina.
7 years of love. 3 years as your secret lover. I thought it was love. To you, I was just a race on all toy. Well, thank you for watching.
I, fresh out of high school, left the country with my mom for almighty Stellinism in LA. I spent every day on edge, terrified of every step I took. Until I met you.
Fell into the pool while we're meeting in the water, lady. Don't get the master's pool dirty. It's all right. You're safe now.
I would have done anything for him, even given my life.
Master!
Don't be scared, Master. I'm getting you out of here. I thought I'd spend my life loving him from the shadows. Until that night.
Regina.
Master, you're drunk!
Last night was a mistake. Here, 100 grand on this card.
I don't want your money. Master, please, just give me a chance to be with you.
Fine. But this stays between us. No one else can know.
I carried an old injury in his life. I buried myself in that place. Just so one day I could help him. Years that gave me all. You never once wanted me. I thought you were just cold by nature.
Alara. She's just a filthy maid. She could never compare to Regina.
You never looked at me like that, Dennis.
You don't love me. Take back every piece of my heart.
Seriously, Damon, why are you so hooked on Regina?
Regina saved me in that fire. Without her, I'd be dead. She's the only one I'll ever love in this life.
Yara, your application is approved. You'll join me as a student on a highly classified UN project. Once you commit, you'll be cut off from the outside world. Are you certain?
I'll finish my thesis presentation in a month. Then I'm gone.
Hey, little maid. Your master's waiting. Get in there and serve him.
There was never a place for me by his side. And now, I don't need him.
Alara, ready? I will pick you up at the school gate in 10 minutes.
Thank you, Professor.
Excuse me. Which one of you is the Sterling family maid? Mr. Damon Sterling sent this custom evening gown.
I do not want it. Take it back.
Since when do you, a lowly maid, get to make decisions for Damon? Oh my god! It's stunning! Regina, it is your favorite color! Damon must have had this made just for you! See that? This is how much Damon loves me. Whatever. I am leaving this place for you. No more getting mixed up with you. Acting all very mighty.
How do I look? Magnificent, sir. Truly beyond compare.
Alora should have the dress by now. Gold was made for her. She's going to be so happy tonight.
Shall we? Labs on the remote island. Regular phones won't get signal. This is a special dedicated phone.
Thank you.
not me. She is probably at the ball waiting for me.
Mom, promise me you'll take care of yourself. Don't worry, I've already resigned. I'm heading back to the countryside. Just focus on yourself and come visit whenever you miss me.
The graduation ball has officially begun. Gentlemen, please welcome the ladies you have been waiting for.
Hey, Lara, I had this dress made just for you. I am gonna make this a night you will never forget.
Damon, you are the best. I will cherish this forever.
You? Where the hell is Alora?
She's gone, Damon. She's not bothering us ever again.
What? Gone?
So that is really her. Where is she going?
Gusto mong umiram na hanggang 50,000 pesos pag-apply sa cash buy. Hindi kailangan ng proof of income, bank statements,
Korean
at
drama.
kailangan ng
I don't know.
pagkakaroon ng
Maybe
garantor.
OC farmers.
Ay, 50,000 pesos. Kapag na-approve, makukuha mo ang pera. Why are you looking for Alara? She just tried throw away the dress you gave me. Thank God I stopped her, or your kindness would have been wasted.
What? That bitch dares to throw away the dress I gifted her?
The dance is starting. Don't let a no ruin our night.
Where the hell is her scar? You were hit by a burning hole, you see? How is there not a single mark?
Damon, you're hurting me. It's called plastic surgery. I had it fixed years ago. Modern medicine works wonders, you know?
Right. Surgery. It makes sense. I'm overthinking this. Little Laura, that bitch stood me up. I'll make her pay for this when I get home.
Damon! Regina! Happy graduation! Let's get wasted tonight! Alora! Get your ass out here!
You're home, Master.
Where the hell is Alara? Get her to me!
Ilana. She is gone, Master.
Hello everyone! Today, random nating i-interview ang ilang tao at bibigyan sila ng rewards. Hi! Pwede ko ba malaman kung ilang taon mo na yung gamit yung phone number mo?
More than 3 years now.
Gusto mo ba sabukan? I-check ang credit limit mo gamit ang link sa baba ng video.
Bye-bye!
30,000
Kiss mo, wow, wow,
Hi!
wow,
Pwede ko
wow,
ba malaman kung ilang taon mo na gamit
Mo,
ang phone number mo?
tapay man yung gusto mo tapay?
Gusto mo ba malaman ang credit limit mo gamit ang link sa baba ng video? Okay, sige.
Gusto mo tapay?
50,000 pesos ang nakuha ko. Cash kada.
Kapatid.
Kailangan ng pera agad? Makinig kayo. Sa Cashify, pwede ka manghiram gamit lang ang ID at mobile number mo. Walang harassment at safe ang loan information mo. Pwede kang manghiram ng contact with
You mentioned an island, Master. Something about a research project.
Gusto mo tinapay?
What the hell do you mean she's gone? Where is she?
Ito mo na. Tapay ito. Ito mo tapay. Alamanan ko, give mo si mama. Taga naman si mama mo.
She's a damn maid with a revoked degree. What could she possibly research?
Nanong gusto mo? Peanut butter o yadi o?
Peanut.
She's just
Pwede?
sulking.
You want
Let's
this?
see how long she lasts out there. Master, do you need some?
Yan.
I always drink a special sports drink after alcohol. Are you an idiot?
Master, it's always been Allura here. I had no idea.
Drink this, Master. It'll make you feel brand new.
Master, what would you like to drink? I'll go get it.
Ano? Teka, give mo kay mama. Papa. Give mo kay mama dali. Katanong mo nga mama.
Don't bother.
Para si Gisling. At doon sa labas.
Elora! Elora! Where are you? Get in here! Now!
Master, what's wrong? Where's Alara? Is she back? No, Master.
Get out! Alara, be back in 10 minutes to rub my leg. Do it. I might forgive you. She fucking blocked me.
I'm never going.
Okay, so you blocked me. Even if you come back and he's begging, I don't forgive you.
Go, Damon! You got this!
She can see my
Damon, you're so clumsy. Does this mean we're skipping the mall? Those limited edition bags sell out in seconds.
Just give me a damn break, okay?
Look at you. Pathetic. After loss. You are making a mockery of the Sterling name. I will get you a new coach and training setup. You need to get back in shape fast.
No need. Alara will get my leg fixed.
Elora? She had already resigned yesterday. She left with her mother.
She left? No. That is impossible.
The number you have dialed is no longer in service.
Okay, it's that time again replenishing my beauty stash. And yes, I'm using my Adobe card to pay. It's so convenient and has 0% interest. Plus, I can split my payments into 3 or 6 months. No fees, no hidden charges. I got mine online in
Mom, where did Alara go? Do you know how to reach her? Mom, say something!
Stop screaming! She was just a maid!
She is my personal maid and assistant. She can't just vanish without telling me where she's going.
Listen up. If you still want a shot at the pros, focus on football. Stop wasting your life on trash.
She's really gone. For a damn moment. How dare she leave without a goodbye?
Damon, what's the big deal? She was just a maid. You still have one day.
Right, just a filthy maid. Irrelevant. We are going shopping, right? Let us go. You want to be jealous, Elora? You hate seeing us together? Fine. I will stay with you. Gina, all this is 2 hours away. My knee is kind of hurting. Can we hit a closer call? Massaging.
I do not do massages, and we are not changing malls. This is the only store that has a limited edition bag. Tell you what, you go to the passenger seat and rest. I'll drive. I know a shortcut.
She cares about us. I've dropped everything to take care
Huwag naman. Buti na lang nag-apply ako ahead sa pag-musika. Sana initap sa test na init para sa rent ko. At ngayon, may hanggang 2 installment na walang interest. Pwede ko bang bayad?
Chill, David. I've got this shortcut down. We'll be there in minutes.
Thank you for watching. I understand. Basic.
Hey! What the hell is wrong with you? Are you blind? I will pay for it. Every cent. This is a restricted zone. You are looking at reckless driving. You will be fully liable for damages. In worst case, you are getting charged. Who was driving?
David, please. I'm applying for Professor Lawrence's team. I cannot have a record. You are a Sterling. They will not touch you. Tell them that you were driving. Please. David, you are the best. Shoot, the mall is closing. I have to go get that bag. Call me when you are done here.
Mr. Sterling, you are all patched up. Someone is waiting outside. Laura, she must have heard I was hurt. She came back for me. Where have you been these days?
What the hell are you doing here? Where is Alora? What the hell are you doing here? I called. Did not pick up. I couldn't find you anywhere. Had to ask Regina to track you down. Forget that. We have to go. Now. There is a massive scrimmage today. The new coach is your mom's friend. If you pull this off, you are screwed. The game is over and you just show up? 100 laps. Now! Do not stop until you are done. 100 laps? Are you kidding me? I am not doing that.
Really? Then guess I will be calling your mother about today. Gina, are you going to look after me?
Just keep training, babe. I spent all day on bags. Now I need to go find some shoes. I am out of here. Good luck. Take it easy, Crystal.
Alora, how dare you stay away this long? Even if you come back crying and begging, I will never forgive you.
Elora, the latest results are in. The project is a total success. Once this paper drops, your name is going to be legendary in the medical world.
nandiyan na agad yung bills, groceries, at kung ano-anong gastos. Pero okay lang kasi, may atomic card ako. With atomic card, I can pay later anywhere. Kaya kahit sabay-sabay yung bayrahin ko ng Wi-Fi at groceries, siya lang ako. And here's the best part. 0% interest on monthly purchases, no annual fees for life, and flexible options up to 6 months. Plus,
You are doing greatly. Keep it up.
Thank you for watching.
You came back.
Thank you for those who sending the hearts.
Regina, what the hell are you doing here?
I just came to see you. Maybe try something special.
Why do I wish it was Elena?
You turned me down?
I am exhausted from training. I just want to go for a rest.
You have never said no to me before.
My mom is still waiting. You should head home too. Damn it. Not my phone.
Master Damon's been so weird lately. Do you think he's still hung up on that maid? Laura? He's just a filthy babe. I don't know why, but after the fire, Damon acted like I saved him. He's been bending over for me ever since.
That wasn't her. Regina didn't save me.
Remember the restroom? I shoved Alara's head in the toilet and slammed her skull against the wall. I almost broke her. And David, he still took my side. We have Master Demos wrapped around your finger. David's just a dog on my leash. He's having a little tantrum right now, but he'll come around once I smother him. As for Alara, crushing her was as easy as stepping on an ant. Wow, Pushpa! Yummy!
say that again? So Alara never touched you? You framed her the whole time?
I heard every word, you bitch. How could you be so vicious?
It's just a filthy babe. I did all this just to test my place in your heart. You actually put your hands on me for her. Are you seriously in love with Alora?
Am I in love with Laura?
She's trash! She found a rich sugar daddy and failed! She is not on your level, David. I am the only one.
Shut up! Alexa would never do that!
You make me sick. Do not you ever let me see your face again.
Regina, what do we do? Relax. He'll figure it out. As long as he still thinks I'm the one who saved his life, I'll be back. Today, a fire broke out. I ran into safety. I was trapped. A burning flame. I shielded him. My back was burned. But he was safe. This scar is beneath my love.
It was her! Laura saved me!
Okay, after the delivery, so guys, if
I'm such a bastard. How could I be so blind?
Day, ocean into the ocean. I forgot my key and swim. As I fought for air in that freezing water, I realized this is how I pay him back for saving my life years ago. Gina wasn't even hurt. He only heard her cry. So he gave me 10 lashes. My back, it hurts so much.
Damn it. What have I done to her?
Sorry, the number you have dialed is no longer in service.
Lara, I'm sorry. I was wrong. Where are you? Please, just come back. I'll spend the rest of my life making it up to you.
remember I'm at an Ayala Mall? Memories are made.
Dr. Grant, what brings you back to Los Angeles? The Thunder's roster is decimated by injuries. Are you here to join them at your head position? No comment. My plans are strictly private. More and more key players are getting injured. If we don't find a better team doctor, the season is over.
You trying to cripple me or what? Get the hell out! If only like her. She always knew how to handle me. She never would have hurt me. Madam, we have a candidate. Dr. Grant. Lara Grant?
Hi from North Carolina. Hi from North Carolina. Milky. Hi. Milky. Thank you. Thank you for watching. 1 million.
Madam, Dr. Ivy Grant is the brightest star in the medical world right now. She just led her team to a Nobel Prize this year.